Hey there, YouTube fam! Ever dreamt of getting your hands on grant funds that you never have to pay back? Well, today is your lucky day because we've got the scoop on unlocking financial opportunities you didn't even know existed. Imagine having access to grants that can kickstart your business, fuel your creative project, or simply ease your financial journey. It's not a dream, it's a reality waiting for you. So how do you tap into this goldmine of grants? We've got the perfect guide for you. Introducing our new video series, Unlocking Grant Funds, the ultimate guide to free money. But where do you find these grants? How do you navigate the application process? We're diving deep into the strategies, tips, and insider knowledge that will make the grant application process a breeze. Whether you're an entrepreneur, artist, student, or someone with a big dream, we've got something for everyone.
Thanks to this guide, I got the funds I needed to start my own business.
Thanks to this guide, I got the funds I needed to start my own business.
And the best part, all this information is packed into an easy-to-follow video series available for free. Yes, you heard that right, free. Because we believe everyone deserves a shot at their dreams without the burden of repayments. Ready to turn your dreams into reality? Click the link below to watch our Unlocking Grant Funds video series now. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity. Subscribe, like this video, and let's kickstart your journey to free money. See you in the series.